Hello guys, welcome back to the next video of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually add a music or a song to your Snapchat picture or video. So all you need to do is click on your Snapchat application just like this. Take a picture and click on the music icon as shown in the screen. Now search for the song you want to add to your Snapchat and tap on the song or music you want to add. Then drag the music to adjust the part of the song to be featured in your Snapchat. Then click on the check mark and drag the songs tag to place it in its desired location. And lastly, send it off by clicking on the next option. Choose the person you want to send the snaps to and click on send option. This is how you can add music on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching.